Alright guys, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. Quickly gonna go over a couple things with you. This is my Mark IV GTI 1.8T. What I plan to do on this channel is show you my progress with doing a 3.2 liter swap into a Mark III VR. And let me show you guys. This right here is my spare 24 valve. This I got off of a 2004 toureag, which I'm not the mix and match parts. So we'll have to figure out things once we get to that point. But just wanted to do a quick intro on what I'm doing. You know, I got some more parts here, valve covers, miscellaneous Mark IV parts, sound system. So definitely should be a good build. And with each episode, I'll be talking more about, you know, what I'll be doing and what the final end result will be with the build. So hit the like button, subscribe, and leave some comments as to what you think the direction I should do with the Mark III R32.